Charge into Black Friday at Tim Moran Chevy, where the savings are electric. We've got powerhouse deals on Chevy's toughest lineup, from the Silverado 1500 work truck to the Equinox EV. For this month only, lease an all-new Equinox for just $257 per month, or plug in and power up with the Equinox EV for only $349 per month. And the electric savings keep rolling. Lease a 2026 Blazer EV for only $395 a month, or get serious power with the Silverado EV, just $589 per month. And for the tough jobs, the Silverado 1500 work truck delivers. Lease it now for just $398 per month. Black Friday only comes once a year. Make it count. Head to Tim Moran Chevy or go to www.timmoranchevy.com and drive home your deal today. Tim Moran Chevy. When others can't, Tim Moran can.